Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about what? How to start coding for beginner. Okay? Beginner can start coding what from where? Okay? So if you want to start coding but don't know where to begin, too many languages are there. Too many tutorial are present there. Too many, too much confusions. So don't worry about this. In this video I will show you exactly how to start coding step by step. So first thing, coding is not hard. What makes it hard is confusion. You don't need a degree, or you don't need a degree or expensive course. You don't need expensive course as well. Okay, and you don't need to have a genius brain. You just need the right path. Okay, so first step is pick one language. Don't try to learn everything. Start with one language. Best choice Python. Okay, easy for beginner. And you can choose another language, that is javascript. For website, pick one and stick to it. If you want to learn front end, then you go with javascript, c++, and html. Sorry, javascript, css and html. And if you want to learn python, then you can learn the python framework as well. Okay, so step 2. Okay, learn basic only. You don't need to learn everything. Start with variable, loops, condition and function. That's enough to start, or that's enough to begin. Don't go to the deep in theory. Okay, so another step, start building a small project. Okay, this is where real learning happen. Don't just watch the tutorial. Build simple thing like calculator, to-do list, number guessing game, small project, and big confidence. Small project equals to big confidence. Okay, small project equals to big confidence. And next step, practice daily. Consistency beat talent. Even 1 hour per day is enough, but do it daily, not once a week. Okay, and next step, use the internet smartly. Don't try to memorize everything. Even professional developer Google things daily. Learn how to search error. How to search. You can search the error, solutions, and example. This is a real skill. Okay, and next step is beginner step. Beginner mistake. Okay, so you need to avoid this kind of mistake. Watching tutorial only, switching language again and again, giving up to the early. Okay, stay patience. And you don't need to be perfect. You just need to learn, and you just need to learn. Okay, coding is a journey, and every expert was once a beginner. I was also beginner. Okay, so start today. Even small step matter. Follow, subscribe for more simple coding guide. Bye bye, take care, see you next video.